The golden medium. Some people are over credulous. This is bad, as others easily cheat them. We must fully understand man. We must know his nature, his qualities, and his antecedents. We must know his behavior, test him on several occasions, and only place our confidence in him when we are fully satisfied. He may be a deep man who puts on a false appearance and who turns out to be quite the reverse. Watch him closely, move with him closely, and hear about him from several other people. Man cannot hide his nature for long. We will see that his face registers all his inner feelings and thoughts. Too much suspicion is also bad. It's the opposite of over credulousness. Mind always moves in extremes. The husband suspects the wife and the wife suspects the husband. There is always trouble in the house. If the proprietor suspects his servants, then how can business go on? It cannot. The world runs on perfect faith. Business too runs on faith. If people are too suspicious, there is always friction and rupture. Do not be over credulous or over suspicious. Keep the golden medium always. Another undesirable quality is intolerance or petty mindedness. All the restlessness and fighting in this world takes its origin from intolerance. An Englishman is intolerant towards an Irishman or a German. A Hindu is intolerant to a Mohammedan and vice versa. Arya Samajist is intolerant towards a Sanatanist and vice versa. All this is due to perfect ignorance. How can a man who sees the one Atman in all be intolerant? All these small differences are purely mental creations. Expand, embrace all, include all, love all, serve all, behold the Lord in all. See God in every face, feel her indwelling presence in all. Be liberal and Catholic in our views. Destroy the barriers that separate man from man. Drink the eternal Atmic bliss. Become perfectly tolerant. Forget and forgive.
Oh.